Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Netgear 5-port 10 gig unmanaged switch. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see the nice retail box and packaging right here, going over more tech specs for you. They have that nice layout on the back, showing you a network setup. All of our tech specs on the side for you right there to reference and read. So with this one, you can see from those specs, we have 4 10 gig multi-gigabit copper ports. That's the 4 ports on the front that support speeds from 100 megabits to 1 gigabit, 2.5 gigabits, 5 gigabits, and 10 gigabits per second. We have one SFP plus port with our fiber speed supporting 1 gig and 10 gig. Metal case, 19-inch rack mount, so you could do a tabletop desktop mount, or you can do a rack mount with this. 100 gigabits per second bandwidth supported, energy efficient. You can see that nice network layout on the back for you again. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, you can see we have our installation guide for the 5-port and the 8-port version. We can open it up to reveal setup instructions, how to connect it to power, and then we can check the status and what each LED indicator light means. So you can see all the different options right there for our Ethernet ports and our SFP port. Here's the back side where we can learn more about cable speeds, SFP transceiver modules, and tech specs for this switch. We also have a customer support section right there too. You can contact Netgear for any help. Then you can see we have our power cable right here. Check it out. Very simple, straightforward. We have our rack mount brackets with our screws to attach those brackets to our switch. And then we have the screws to attach the switch to our rack. 4 feet. We can put those pads on the bottom of the device. And then you can see we have the switch itself right here. Netgear logo and branding up top. Here's the main side right here. Again, our indicator lights, Netgear branding. 1 to 4 LED light key for you right there with the 4 copper Ethernet ports. You can see our SFP port right there. Same thing with our light indicators. So double green is going to be 10 gig for our copper. Left green is going to be 5 gig. Right green is going to be 2.5 gigs. Then double yellow is going to be 1 gig. And then for SFP, you can see the speeds. Double greens, 10 gig. Double yellows, 1 gig. More product information for you on that side. Here it is from the bottom. We can learn more about this item. You can see all the disclaimers and logos, serial number. Here's where we're going to install. You can see we can put the 4 feet right here that are included. Just peel and stick in place if you want to use those. Then on this side, you can see we have our fan. And we have the spot for our bracket. So just go ahead, line it up, and fasten it in place just like this. Should be just like this. So it'll also be flush right there on the rack. Here's from the back side, you can see our power. We also have our Kensington lock. Here it is from the other side, you can see our air vent. And you can see same thing. Take your bracket, line it up just like this. So it should be flush with the switch to slide in and mount to the rack. And we're back to the front of it again. Now let's go ahead, let's plug it in, power it on, and try it out. So I have everything plugged in and powered on, and it's working great. You can see in port 1, we're getting 1 gig speeds. Port 2 is currently offline. Port 3, we're getting 10 gig speeds, and port 4, we're getting 2.5 gigs. So you can see we got everything set up right here. So you can see within Windows, our network settings, we're showing our speed of 10 gigabits per second. So you can check out that data right there. You can also see the network card installed right here under Task Manager. Now we have a shared network folder. Let's go ahead. Let's take this previous project. Let's copy it over to this computer, and let's see the speeds that we're getting. So here you go. You can see we're getting 500 megabytes a second for our speed. You can see our send and receive right here. So we're getting, 5 gigabits per second. For megabytes for 10 gigs, we should be getting around 1250 megabytes if it was running at its true theoretical capacity right there. So we're getting about half of that, around 5 gig network speeds, transferring this 60 plus gig file folder full of a bunch of different video clips and scenes. So using those same computers, I wanted to conduct an IPerf 3 test so you can see the results right here. We were averaging 8.6 gigabits per second over our network now with the 10 gig switch installed and the 10 gig cards with our PC. So overall, I'm very happy and impressed with the huge boost in performance that I'm getting in my home network as I transfer a lot of video files back and forth between computers to edit. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.